Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7, 1 Mark 6 and Xperia 1 Mark 5. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. They offer 6.5 inches OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. All three mobiles are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 3 rear cameras and also 12 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. All three mobiles come with 5000 mAh batteries. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity to speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.